Hi, in our earlier video, we have learned on turnover ratios, under which we have learned three such ratios. Now, in this video, we'll be learning something very special, which is the most commonly and widely used ratio while appraising the proposal, which is none other than inventory turnover ratio. Now, what is this inventory turnover ratio? What does it signify? What are the basic concepts behind this ratio that we are going to learn in this video. So, hi guys, my name is Rahul Srivastav and I welcome you all to my channel. So, first and foremost, we'll start with the formula of inventory turnover ratio. Now, what is the formula of inventory turnover ratio? It is nothing but cost of goods sold बाय एवरेज इन्वेंट्री. मतलब जो सामान बेचने में हमें जो कॉस्ट इनकर किया है उसको जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं एवरेज इन्वेंट्री से तो उसका जो रेशियो निकलता है दैट इज नोन एज इन्वेंट्री टर्नओवर रेशियो. नाउ दिस वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जांपल. सपोज योर कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड इज 50 lakhs rupees. Cost of goods sold is 50 lakh rupees and your average inventory is 5 lakh rupees. So as per the formula, when we'll apply the formula of inventory turnover ratio, which is 50 divided by 5, it will come to 10. So we can say our inventory turn ratio is 10 times over here, correct? Now we'll go with some other example. Suppose cost of goods sold in this case is also 50 lakh rupees. However, the average inventory is suppose 10 lakh rupees. So as for the formula, the inventory turnover ratio would come out to, you are correct, 5 times. Now what does this 10 times and 5 times signify? What inferences can we draw from this 10 times and 5 times? So guys, let me tell you that we are going to learn the difference between these two. So when we are seeing the relation for 10 times inventory, it means that we are making the sales 10 times to bring in profit. मतलब 10 बार हम इन्वेंट्री को रोटेट कर रहे हैं और उससे हम सेल्स कर रहे हैं जिससे कि वी आर इंक्रीजिंग मोर ऑन द प्रॉफिट. As you can see here, it means that I am making the sales 10 times to bring in profit. However, on the right side wherein we have got the ratio as 5 times only, it signifies that I am making the sales only 5 times to bring in profit. So it means that under 10 times inventory rotation, profit is coming frequently because of sales is more. Because हमारा sales ज़्यादा है इसलिए profit ज़्यादा होगा. But in the case of 5 times inventory, it shows strained liquidity position because frequency of sales is less. You got my point? So we can say what is the conclusion, what we can conclude here. So the conclusion we can make is, if the ratio is on a higher side, what does it signify? Yes, it would signify good sign. If the ratio is on a higher side, it would signify good sign, and contrary, if the ratio is on a lower side, it would signify strained liquidity. So whenever you get the inventory turnover ratio and if the ratio is on a higher side, it should immediately strike to you that the frequency of sales is more, hence the profit would come in a much better way. So thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. I request you to share to the maximum people for their benefit also. Thank you.